Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Look at our monkey. He is hungry. He wants to eat bananas. Can you help me feed the monkey bananas? Okay, let's see what bananas we should feed the monkey. Look, he wants to eat this banana. He is eating a banana. This is a chicken leg. A chicken leg. Or a drumstick. He likes to eat the chicken leg. He likes to eat chicken. The monkey is eating chicken. He says he's still hungry. I am still hungry. He wants to eat another banana. This is a lobster. A lobster. A lobster. A lobster lives in the sea. What is this? It is a lobster. A lobster. The monkey says he is still hungry. What is this? This is a lime. A lime grows on a tree. What is this? It is a lime. A lime is green. Let's feed the monkey another banana. This is a lion. A lion. A lion lives in the forest. What is this? It is a lion. A lion. Monkey is still hungry. More bananas for him. What's under this banana? This is a Lego. A Lego. A Lego is a block that you play with. What is this? It's a Lego. Last banana. Monkey is eating the last banana. What did we find? This is a lamb. A lamb lives on a farm. What is this? A lamb. Bye-bye. Monkey says bye-bye.
Yak Backpack. Yak Backpack.